You might hear people say quantity surveying is a well-paid occupation, but how much do QSs actually earn? Well, each year we create a video detailing the average salary for each level of quantity surveying, ranging from Apprentice Quantity Surveyor all the way to Commercial Manager. So let's get started. Apprentice or Trainee, £25,000. If you're fortunate enough to secure a position with an employer who's willing to fund your education, it's likely you'll join as an apprentice or trainee QS. You might think this is a low salary, but unlike people who are studying full-time at university, you'll be gaining valuable on-the-job experience while receiving a free education. We believe this is an outstanding opportunity for anyone aiming to get their career started in quantity surveying. Assistant or Graduate Quantity Surveyor, £35,000. This role is for people who've just completed a degree in quantity surveying or received a promotion from trainee/apprentice QS. At this level, you'll start to gain more responsibility on the commercial team. You'll have a mentor or line manager who will either be a QS or a senior QS and will ensure you're on the right track to progress to an experienced quantity surveyor. Quantity Surveyor, £54,000. At this stage, you'll likely take ownership of your own project. You may even have line management responsibility for junior staff. You'll not only need to know how to perform your duties confidently, but you'll also need to show some leadership skills. Even if you're not a line manager yet, you'll need to hold your own when meeting with project stakeholders. Senior Quantity Surveyor, £68,000. As a senior quantity surveyor, people will look at you for guidance and reasoned advice. You'll start to get involved more in the commercial strategy on a portfolio of projects or a large project. You may even directly manage quantity surveyors. At this stage, you may opt to be a freelance senior QS. As a freelance senior, you could look to charge a day rate of around £500. Managing Quantity Surveyor, £80,000. If you think you've got leadership skills to manage a team of quantity surveyors, this role will be for you. You don't necessarily need more experience than most senior QSs to reach this level. However, you will need to know how to successfully manage people, delegate work, and create management processes to ensure a streamlined commercial process. And finally, Commercial Manager, £90,000. The salary expectations for commercial managers can vary greatly, depending on the level of responsibility held. At this level, you'll be responsible for the commercial aspects of a business sector. This can be anything from a large framework to multiple construction projects. You will need to ensure that the correct people, procedures, and contracts are in place to ensure the business is profitable and that there's sufficient level of work in the pipeline to ensure future commercial success. You'll need to have good risk management and financial reporting abilities.